Get ready, webheads! Marvel's Spider-Man 2 is swinging its way onto PS5 on October 20th after a long 2 years of development, and we've got more web-slinging fun coming your way. Known for its Marvel partnerships, Adidas is blending style with superheroes for its brand new Spider-Man 2, Adidas Ultra 4D. And here's another cool detail. The soles incorporate 3D printing using carbon 3D digital manufacturing equipment. Inspired by Spidey's legacy and the villainous Venom, the Adidas Peter Parker Advanced Suit and Venom collection are a design marvel. From Spider-Man's signature blue to Venom's dark tendrils and vibrant red prime knit representing Spidey's suit, these kicks are a must-have for every Spider-Man fan. But what's truly unique about this Spider-Man 2 collection is its integration into the video game. When swinging through the streets of New York, you might spot digital citizens rocking the Adidas Spider-Man 2 apparel, thanks to Sony's special edition drop. Play Spider-Man 2 on the limited edition Spider-Man 2 themed PS5, all while wearing your Spider-Man 2 Adidas merch. Don't miss out on the ultimate Spider-Man experience. Hit the like button, subscribe for more superhero style, and swing into action with the Spider-Man 2 Adidas Ultra 4D and the exclusive in-game merch.